there's two kinds of writing. There's star writing and then there's real writing. There's star writing and there's real writing. We're just going to talk about composing real introduction paragraphs and real conclusion paragraphs, okay? Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah!
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah!
Okay, in our introduction, there's an acronym that we use to help ourselves remember it. What is it? We call it ANT, right? ANT. A-N-T. A-N-T. It helps us remember what we should have in our introduction. A stands for blank getter. It stands for our
attention getter.
Yeah, and in Miss Wallace's class, right, we get this from Kelly Gallagher. It's an attention getter. It's a 7 effective lead. Tell me a couple of them. Just pop off a couple of me. What's a 7 effective lead? I'm going to zoom my reader in. I'm not going to ask a question or start with a boring fact. Give me one 7 effective lead. Somebody give me a 7 effective lead.
Actions.
Actions 1. Give me another one.
Describe a character.
Describe a character. What else?
Dialogue.
Emotion.
Dialogue, emotion, setting. Okay, all these, we're going to zoom our reader in. You got it!
We got it!
Good, that's awesome. All right, so that's my attention getter. I'm going to use 2 sentences. Grab my reader's attention and get out of there. N stands for necessary
Info.
Good. I need to tell Granny what's going on. Necessary info, and that's typically my author and my
Title.
Good. Say it back to me. My author and my
Title.
A-N. Now we got to get our T, our most important part right here. Our T stands for our blank statement. It's our thesis statement, and a thesis statement is what we are
Proving.
Yeah, you know this right here. It's that P word. Thesis statement is what we are
Proving.
We're going to prove something to our reader. Okay, it's that something's happening, whatnot. Okay, when my mom would teach me, right, as a kid, she would ask me to do chores at home. I always tell you this. She would tell me typically like 3 things. Three things. Yes. All right. She would tell me, I need you to take out the trash, walk the dog, and wash the dishes. You got it?
We got it.
Good. So she'd tell me those 3 things, right? So that's basically my thesis statement. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Then my body paragraphs would be, because if my mama's like your mama, she would tell me, and here's how you do it. When you walk the dog, you need to go by this way instead of by that way. Okay? And when you take out the trash, right, you need to go out the back door, double bag that stuff, right, okay? And when you wash the dishes, you need to use the hot water, not the cold. If your mama's like my mama, she would tell me again, that's your body paragraphs. You got it!
We got it!
Good, okay? Now, and then at the end, because she knew I wasn't listening, right, because I was a teenager, she knew I wasn't listening, so my conclusion, right, we're in our conclusion paragraph right here, she would always come back and say to me, Emily, I need you to take out the trash, walk the dog, and wash the dishes. This is also what we know in our conclusion paragraph, that we're going to rephrase our blank statement. We're going to rephrase our thesis statement. We're going to tell her again. And Granny, in case you fell asleep, here's what I just said. You got it!
We got it!
Good. We're going to rephrase our thesis statement. Then, at the end, we're going to leave our reader with a
thought.
Yeah, be so confident right here. We're going to leave our reader with a
thought.
Not a
fact.
Or a
Question.
Leave them with a thought, not a fact or a question. All right? Oh, yeah?